Hello everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to change the fuel filter on a Suzuki Swift. This is a simple maintenance task you can do at home. It will help keep your car running smoothly. A clogged fuel filter can cause poor performance. It can also damage your fuel pump. So, let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new fuel filter. Make sure it's the correct one for your Suzuki Swift model and year. You'll also need some wrenches. Have a fuel line disconnect tool ready. A small container to catch spilled fuel is essential. Safety glasses and gloves are also a must. Now, let's locate the fuel filter. It's usually located under the car, near the fuel tank. Sometimes, it's in the engine compartment. Consult your car's repair manual if you're unsure. Once you've found it, relieve the fuel pressure. You can do this by removing the fuel pump fuse or relay. Start the engine and let it run until it stalls. This will reduce the amount of fuel that spills out. Next, disconnect the fuel lines from the old fuel filter. Use the fuel line disconnect tool to separate the lines. Be prepared for some fuel to spill. Have your container ready to catch it? Now, remove the old fuel filter from its mounting bracket. Loosen any clamps or screws holding it in place. Install the new fuel filter in the mounting bracket. Make sure it's facing the correct direction. There's usually an arrow on the filter showing the direction of fuel flow. Connect the fuel lines to the new fuel filter. Make sure they're securely attached. Reinstall the fuel pump fuse or relay. Turn the ignition key to the on position. Don't start the engine yet. This will allow the fuel pump to prime the system. Check for any fuel leaks around the filter and fuel lines. If you see any leaks, tighten the connections. Now, start the engine. Let it run for a few minutes. Check for leaks again. If everything looks good, you're done. Remember to dispose of the old fuel filter properly. Fuel is a hazardous material. Don't just throw it in the trash. You might need to take it to an auto parts store for proper disposal. Changing your fuel filter regularly is important. It will help keep your Suzuki Swift running its best. A clean fuel filter ensures proper fuel delivery to the engine. This leads to better performance and fuel economy. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.